It's not so easy to describe that feeling of coming back to a place that feels like home after so long. After almost 3 months, we finally felt it was an okay time to come back to the Lake District. With the weather looking perfect, we chose Langdale for our adventure. There's a hidden waterfall in one of the valleys, so our plan was to take the mild hike up and spend the day swimming in the plunge pool below. It's so warm here. We've been for a swim in the plunge pool and the water's nice and cool. It's the perfect place because there's no signal, so we're totally disconnected from the outside world. And no one else really knows about this place. But yeah, it's just in the heart of Langdale. And you just couldn't ask for a better place on a day like this. So yeah, we're gonna make the most of it. As the evening sun began to bloom, and with a kayak in the back of the car, the thought of spending the evening on the lake was too tempting. We made our way to Derwentwater and picked a secluded spot on the shoreline. Little did we know, we would have the entire lake to ourselves. We finished off the evening with a sunset up Waller Crag. We were a bit too late for the best of it, but it was a nice way to round off a day full of adventure. I can't wait to be back in the Lake District again. It'll be very soon, I'm sure of that.